A very warm welcome and a good morning to everyone. This is Phil Weaver Automotive's latest edition, a 2017 on a 67 registered plate Mercedes new model SLC convertible in this black and matching black leather seats with these nice AMG line alloy wheels. She's covered just a fraction under 10,000 miles. We have 2 keys and all the information packs and books that you would need are actively present here with us. Phil has over 200 5-star reviews on Auto Trader, Facebook and Google, so please do take some time and have a read of 1 or 2 of them, if not the 200. No, seriously, trading for nearly 30 years, Phil is an expert in his field, and as I say, the reviews just go to show that. So we have a 67 plate SLC taken over from the SLK, and that would be the front or the rear view of a driver with the vehicle in front of you. Quite a powerful statement with the big Mercedes badge, chrome and silver with the LEDs. It's electric folding hard top. Careful to say hard tops, it's not a canvas top, this is a hard top. You've got drilled front brake discs, and you've got matching tyres all around, which are Bridgestone, all in great condition for 9,100 miles, obviously, you'd imagine that. And just an all-round lovely looking car. SLC200 KT67 CZG. And then from the rear of the car you've got the a nice rear bumper with the diffuser and the lower valance section of the bumper. Brake light in the boot lid. And just straighten the steering wheel up. We just have the so just glance inside that just for a second to admire the fit and finish of this Mercedes. It's 9,500, is it 95? Yes, 955 miles, so I did it in justice. I actually said it was 99, it's 9,500 miles. We'll show you the roof going up in a moment, but just to, I thought it would be a good sort of idea to put the roof down before we began the video. It's still with Mercedes warranty. There's 3 years warranty in total, and that includes roadside and home side assistance from BMW anywhere in the country. So you can have this car, take it home wherever that might be, and your local Mercedes dealer can look after it going forwards for you. We have checked with Mercedes and there are no outstanding recalls on this vehicle, so you can take it away today, tomorrow, whenever, and there is an opportunity to possibly get the car delivered nationwide with a £250 deposit, and then the balance is payable upon delivery of the vehicle to your address. So we do not ask for upfront payments. As I mentioned outside, we do have 2 keys, and there is the 2 keys. It's a 9-speed gearbox, and which is quite amazing really. SLC on the top of the selector, and you've got reverse, neutral and drive, and you can drive it in manual by just pressing down the button here, but you can also use it on the paddle shift on the steering wheel. So you've got plus to up a gear, and you've got a minus to go down a gear, and if you want to revert back to the auto, just press and bring forward the plus there. That just knocks it back into, takes it into automatic. It does have navigation, which is there, ready to navigate, as you can see. It's an SD card based system, so the benefit of an SD card is that you can, every 3 or 4 years, you can update the SD card and you'll get all the latest maps and the settings from the last time that the SD card was inserted. So you're about £150 at the moment, I think they are, maybe a little bit cheaper, £150 plus VAT, I would say. But I would say leave it 3 or 4 years and then just update with another one. Copious amounts of brushed aluminium trim all around here, with the high gloss black detailing around the selector, 12 volt power socket. There is 2 USB slots. The car's phone system is operational, so Bluetooth is connected, and you can also there's your phone system there, and let's just have a look at media, and it's auto. It's been paused. I think Phil has has paused it. We've just been having a little flick around before the video just to confirm that we've set everything up. Stop start, it can be overridden if you wish there, and you've got a good heating and ventilation system as well. So if we just take you into putting the roof up, you will basically see here a very secret compartment, just a little secret compartment. Just bring that to one side, and then we have the windows down, which I think a convertible always looks nicer with the windows down. So we just try and fold the roof up, and you'll see that the boot mechanism is open and the roof is about to be pushed forward. And there is that bleep is saying that we've had the roof up and closed. It's also worth noting that took about 17 seconds, that there are no obnoxious smells in this vehicle. It's not been a smoker's car, and it hasn't had any pets inside it, so there are no smells whatsoever in this vehicle. So that's our SLC 2017 with 9,500 miles on the speedometer. It's available now from Phil Weaver Automotive and Mia Brown in Preston. We are open 7 days a week. We just ask that at the weekend you telephone before you travel. It's available with car finance and part exchange, and nationwide delivery if required. Although we're welcome to come up to Mia Brown in Preston and look at the car and take it out for a test drive. We have some fabulous roads with good fast A roads and B roads around the highways and byways of Lancashire. So that's Phil Weaver Automotive, based in Mia Brow between Preston and Southport. Mercedes SLC 200, 9,500 miles, available now. Thank you very, very much, and have a fantastic rest of the weekend. Thank you.